Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to write italic, bold, strike-through, and FixedSys fonts in WhatsApp. Follow these easy steps to know how to write these fonts format in WhatsApp. So right now I'm in my Android phone. You can follow these same steps on your iPhone also. Go ahead and launch your WhatsApp app on your phone and go to the conversation. And now, first of all, let's write bold text. To write a bold text, first of all, you have to use this star symbol and then type your text here, and after your text again type a star symbol and send the text, and the text will be a bold text. And to write a italic text, here's how to do it. First of all, you have to add underscore. So here's my underscore, and then type your text. After your text again type underscore, and the text will be a italic text. And to write a strike-through text, just add this symbol first. I don't know the name of this symbol. Just add the symbol and then write your text, and after your text again add the symbol, and the text will be strike-through. And now to write FixedSys text, you have to add this symbol 3 times, and then after this symbol write your text again, add this symbol 3 times, and the text will be a FixedSys text. And let's type a normal text here. So this is the normal text, this is FixedSys, and this is strike-through, this is italic, and this is a bold text. And now if you want to combine text, like if you want to make a bold and italic text, here's how to do it. To make a text bold and italic at the same time, first of all you have to add this star symbol, and then you have to add underscore symbol, and then write your text. After your text again give a star symbol and underscore. First of all, after the text give underscore and then give star. And your text will be bold and italic at the same time. And to write a text bold and strike-through, first of all add star symbol and then add this symbol and write your text. Again, after your text add this symbol and then star, and your text will be bold and strike-through. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.